Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is your reading for the month of April 1 to 15, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. Ooh, you have two cards already. Okay, you have the Eight of Wands in reverse. Eight of Wands in reverse. I see that there might be a communication breakdown for you and your love life. For some of you that you are in a relationship, for some of you that are single, maybe this could mean on your friends, your family, or your co-workmates. There might be miscommunications, delays, and some mistakes, maybe in your career or in your project. But at the end of the week, you have this Page of Wands. There's new ideas coming in your career or in your relationship with others. There's going to be motivation. You're going to feel motivated to start again on your journey, maybe in your career or in your relationship, or to start new friends with others. There's going to be new interest, new opportunity coming in at the end of the 15, at the end of April, second week. So we're not sure when it's coming in, but I see that it's coming soon. So don't let this energy of a miscommunication or an energy of distraction. I also feel that you you may feel stuck at some point of your life, maybe in your career, your finances, or in your love life. Things are moving slowly at the first week of the month of April, but the universe is telling you here with the Page of Wands to just relax and enjoy the ride, even though you feel stuck or you feel things are very slow. Just relax, enjoy the ride, because at the end of the week, you're going to feel motivated again. There's going to there's going to be a fresh start with your journey, maybe in relationship or career. And there's going to be new ideas and inspiration, and I think you're very excited about these new ideas that you are thinking right now. So let's get the Mystic Forest Oracle cards. Angel, what is your guidance for Capricorn for the month of April 1 to 15, 2025? Forge a new path. When you make new choices, you create new results. Let go of old patterns and embrace the power of possibility. You are fully supported. So this is connected to the page of wands that the universe is supporting you to forge a new path. Maybe these ideas that you're going to think at the end of the week will help you to embrace the, an abundance future. There's new choices that you're going to make, so they're telling you to let go of the old patterns and embrace the power of possibility. And they will support you with that ideas or interest that you're going to think at the end of the week. So that's your reading, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe.